Welcome to the part 5 of this Power BI section. So for this part 5, we are looking at slicers, filter on visuals, and the button slicer. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is the slicer. Okay, simply slicer is just used to filter, all right? They are used for filtering. Let's move on to our dashboard. So I'm just going to explain this now. Okay, so this is our slicer. We have it here. All right, click on the slicer, and now you have a slicer. So I want to filter. If I have my dashboard, I want to filter based on a particular country. So I'll drag the country down to the feed. All right. So I have this now. Now you have this. It's not looking beautiful, right? So and it's not looking clear. You can come to format now and slicer settings. So how do you want it? So it's vertical. I want it to be drop down. I love drop down. By the time you click on it, you have a drop down, so you can select what you want. It's not very clear, so I'm going to use my dashboard to explain better. So let's come down to the dashboard. Now this is my slicer for country. So I have this dashboard here. So instead of seeing everything, I just want to see a particular country. So I want to see just France. When I click on my France, you see everything changes. All right, everything changes. So you can see that for France, the sum of the cost of this OGS means cost of goods sold. So the sum of the cost of goods sold is 21 million for France alone. For France, the sum of the sales is 17,000. And for what I'm seeing right now is just for France. So let's assume I want to see just for Canada. You can click Canada. See, you have this for Canada. So let's assume you want to see for United States. You click on United States, and you have this. You want to see for Mexico. You click for Mexico, and you have this. So if you want to see everything, just click it out, and you have everything. You can also click here to see it here too. Okay, you can also click there to see everything. It's just, you can play around. It's an interactive dashboard. So now let me assume I want to see a particular product. So you come here. I want to see just for VTT. Click on VTT. Now everything I'm seeing here is just for VTT. All right, the average of what was this again? The average of price sold. Let me see. The average of units sold. So that's it. Sum of sales is 15k, and this. So this is how to use your slicer. Slicer is simply used to filter your dashboard. I will see you in the next class. Cheers.